So I just got parked for the night. I'm up here at a McDonald's with some truck parking back. There's a few trucks trying to get in and out. So I'm going to see if I can get a couple videos of showing you how they back up in tight places. Check it out. Alright, I'm going to see how this guy's going to turn around right here. It's really tight. I mean, he can do it. I turned around a while ago and then parked in the spot, but if you don't do it just right, you'll end up jackknifing. Let's see. So far, so good. You got to be careful in these tight turns so you don't jackknife. He's hauling those cars. Ooh wee. Okay, you see how he's turning around? It looks like he might get it. What he's done is he got in here and he found out it's full and there's not many places to turn around over there. I swung it just right, then got over here and did a 90 into the spot, but sometimes you get in a situation, sometimes it's easier just to back out. I got out and walked over to him, and that's what he said he's gonna turn around. All right, look, did he make it? Yep, it looks like he's making it. Good deal. Yep, he did it. He swung around just right. Now what is he gonna do? There might be a parking place on the end. That might be what he's trying to get into. He's got a good setup. I guess there is a spot over in the corner I didn't see. He's getting right in there. He's doing good. He ain't got much room to pull up. He's got to get in there right the first time. All right, looking good. Back in there like a pro. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how it's done right there. Pretty good. Well, ain't no more spots left here, so nobody needs my help. I'll take it back and go to bed. Everybody looked like I made it safe. Nobody's hood got taken off, so that's good. Trucking Life with Sean. Hey, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos every day
Trying to show you something the CDL school won't teach you. Let's get it.